Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how to redeem your Boohoo gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.us.boohoo.com. This will then take you to the official page of Boohoo. For you to redeem your gift card, you need to first of all sign in into your account or have a signed in account. Now simply click on the three lines and select any of the clothes you want to add to the cart. So once you are done browsing in and selecting an item, all you need to do is select your size preference as well. So after you do so, simply press on the add to the cart option. And once you have done this, click on the bag-like icon. Now simply press on the checkout button, which will then lead you to this kind of page. Now simply fill in your shipping information like your first name, your last name, your country, and other major details like your number. After you are done filling in all the credentials, simply scroll down and press on the proceed to billing option. So after you press on it, all you need to do is now fill in other details like your promo code if you have. Otherwise, you can simply scroll down and press on the gift card, add gift card option. Now to redeem your gift card, all you need to do is enter your gift card number and simply press on the apply gift card option. So this is how you redeem your Boohoo gift card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.